My name is Justus and I'm one of the people involved in Fountains, which is the Environment and Data category for the Adaptation exhibit. I'm an artist and technologist and have been excited to work with people from different disciplines for this project.
Hi, my name is Dolores. I'm a mathematician and a programmer, and it was a very lovely experience to working with artists.
We applied for the Environment and Data category, and the interesting part about thinking about that topic is how information informs people about their health. I use IoT sensors. I've used them for over 7 years personally to monitor my blood sugar. The topic of water, it was something one day I was just thinking, what if everyone were getting sick from the water they're drinking and no one's monitoring it? And I thought, kind of what I do for diabetes, if this could be applied and made visceral for something so universal that everyone can relate to, and using images of people telling stories and pulling data, using the gateway has been the concept to kind of merge these two. We're both part of SciHack Night in Chicago. So
SciHack is a weekly hackathon that is held in Chicago, where people gather to try to use their expertise to solve problems of the city. It's typical that someone knows from computer science, someone is an activist, and so they both are trying to see if by working together in civic issues and using technology. And so this I think it was very interesting because water pollution is something that affects all of us, and being able to analyze the data, to understand the data by using technology was something that I feel very interested in. I think that this project, by visualizing the data, by using sound, can give a different alternative to help people understand when something is not okay.
Agile part is where the sound is involved, to create sound based on a meaningful variable that's constantly monitored. And so we took the Great Lake of Michigan in Chicago. There's the East Harbor, which has a U.S. Geological Survey monitor, constantly every 15 minutes feeding data to their website, which is publicly accessible. And so we worked with another member of SciHack, Renee Pacha, and what he did, he's a pianist and a coder, and Eric helped get JSON files, and we put it in the Node-RED in Agile so that it broke 90 days down and released them as notes when the turbidity was very high and when it got down to a good state. He also created a score that instead of playing every single note, which just sounds like a barrage of noise, when the lake levels were in a good spot, you heard the composition. The videos are a visceral quality, so people are seeing the bodies of people who we've interviewed who are affected by water pollution, talking about different experiences.
We made it a point to make sure we had more water.
You clean it, and after 2 weeks, you're back at the same state, and you have this weird crusty layer of calcium.
Where they live, their emotional experiences. So that's a companion piece that people, I think, immediately engage with when they see a body like their own and they hear a story. And we think right now, technology is not at a place where it can replace the human story. And that's why the video was a big part of the work here.